From Wheat to Bread by Bridget Heos. Sandwiches are easy to make if you have sliced bread. But what if you had to grow the wheat and make the bread yourself? You would need to be a farmer, a miller, and a baker. Hello, farmer! Your job is first, and you'll need a large plot of land. Look for one in the Great Plains of North America, where a lot of wheat is grown. In the fall, plant the seeds. Use a tractor to pull a machine called a drill. It drops the seeds in long rows. The wheat sprouts quickly, but this is winter wheat. During the cold months, it goes dormant. That's sort of like taking a nap. In spring, the wheat grows again. In summer, it turns from green to gold. Then it's time to harvest. To harvest, use a combine, which does a combination of jobs. As the farmer drives through the field, it cuts the wheat. Then the combine strips the chaff off the wheat and blows it to the ground. The part we eat, the kernel, goes into the hopper. The wheat is stored in tall grain elevators until it's ready to be milled. Now it's your turn, miller. First, make sure the grain is healthy. X-ray the kernels to check for insects. Next, clean the wheat. Big machines will do the work. Screens sift out stones, hay, and more. Air blows dirt and dust away. Now the wheat is ready for grinding. Wheat kernels have 3 parts. For white flour, only grind the endosperm. For whole wheat, grind the bran and germ too. Grind and sift the wheat until you have flour. Add vitamins and minerals to make enriched flour. Then package the flour and ship it to factories and stores. At the bread factory, it's dough time. The baker pours the flour, water, oil, yeast, salt, and sugar into the mixer. After the dough rises, a machine pushes the dough through a tube. Knives slice off equal pieces. The dough is sticky. Flour sifts down to stop it from sticking. The floury dough drops into pans. It goes into a warm oven to rise even more. Next, bake the dough in a hot oven. Then, let the baked loaves cool on spinning trays. Finally, the bread travels on a conveyor belt through the sharp blades. And then you have it, sliced bread. The bread is packaged in bags and delivered to stores. Thanks to the farmer, the miller, and the baker, you get to buy bread at the store. And now for the best job, eating the bread. Yum!